Girl Bliss. So I'm just showing you guys, yes, it's true. I'm still using the Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil Hair Grease, you guys. If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome, 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 welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to tune in and check out today's video. So basically, I'm just showing you guys an update with what's going on with my hair. I currently have spring twists. These are maybe a month or so old. I have been utilizing the Jamaican Black Castor Oil hair grease that you guys see here by Wonder Grow. I do apologize, you guys. I did not realize that I was not properly fanning the back of my hair. Please forgive me. But here's the size here, you guys. Of course, you can see a lot of new growth happening there. So I'm definitely really pleased by some of the results. So again, if you haven't tried out this hair grease, this might be something that you want to use to help assist in aiding your hair in healthy hair growth. Okay, I'm not a professional. This is just simply something that I use that I really, really like. It is affordable. I purchased this from online if any of you guys are wondering, or you can check out the Wonder Grow website and purchase it there. So again, here's my hair, you guys. You can see a lot of the new growth that is happening there. So very, very excited. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.